Myntri Rangbah ke jylla kondat ke sangma mentagasi ke arpundre turek unai lar arajar arpundre ule play ba ya ke CM Impact Read and Rise Meghalaya ha annex hall ha assembly ha ke jingi dan lang ki kena skol ha katain laban ha bakran ha kene ke jingi lang play ya kene ke Read and Rise Meghalaya Myntri Rangbah ong ba ke jingtmu jong kene ke long ban pynshlur ya ki kena ha do nyos nem bakin nang ban pule bat ha ban nang ban pule ke jingman toy kan long ya ke jylla Hawa pasha ketenat puli putih Myntri Rangbah ong bak sarkar kalbo ya ketenat puli putih hakmat ban penbahaya ka ulang ba kini kedai ketenat sarkar kebajuat bah ban penbait namar kini kila sa soccer dot da kibon pausnem na kaliang jong ke sarkar kam syim lakan randin hendai kesedang ban penbait kawai kejenge ahdin kawai pat Myntri Rangbah ong bak sarkar ke klem kam ba kila lalut kidang don shibon kijenge ki bedang up bat ke bedang hab ban penbah kum kini kejeng hikai kelak ban long ba ke jylla Meghalaya kedai kawai na ki baningkong ha keri India ya kini kejeng hikai lapan wandur kat kum kejeng start sayan ke bamenta pat ha kerta ke bahanyo ki kena ki lala ban pulih bat thok ya kini kejeng hikai on sela ban yo yaw so hadin shipos nem ne tam had nado menta kesngi ha kini kesi dan lang ru menteri bedai pet ya ketenat pulih putih ubak lakman rembui o komisioner ketenat pulih putih ke Directorate ketenat pulih putih bat kiwe-kiwe ki office ke sarkar jylla haringkat ki kena skol bat kinong hikai.
All my dear students, teachers who are present in this very small but a very important and a very ambitious program that we are starting today. As you are aware that Meghalaya has always believed, our government has always believed that education is our top priority. It is also one of the most complicated and difficult departments that we have. And for years, multiple challenges, multiple knots, multiple complications have made things much more complicated. And it's in such a kind of a problem that we cannot just simply pull things and expect them to be resolved. We have to pick one piece at a time. In this entire puzzle, one knot at a time, we have to untangle slowly and steadily and be able to then reform and change things in education. And that's what we've been doing in the last 8 years. Some areas not as positively as we expected. In some areas, obviously, we're getting results. And some decisions very tough, but yet we have gone ahead with it. So in this manner, we've been able to reform, and we're seeing that education now is moving in the right direction. We still have a lot of challenges, a lot of competition, a lot of problems, but we are moving in the right direction. What we're doing here today is maybe one of the more ambitious programs that we have thought of. And with this Read and Rise program that we have initiated, which is again something that we have learned from other stakeholders. This may be one of the few programs in the entire country that we are actually embarking on. I don't think any other state has done this. And the way this has been designed in a very simple but with a very scientific approach. So at the age of 7 or by the age of 7, our students will be able to properly read and write. And you can imagine when that happens, that means 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from now, the kind of quality of individuals and citizens that we'll be able to create, the investment we're making in the children today is going to start showing results 20 years from now, 10 years from now. So this kind of an investment is something that's going to have one of the highest returns that we can imagine, not for us, but for the society as a whole, and for the individual student, and obviously, as I said, for the country as a whole. So this is a really great and ambitious program.